Hey, it's Norm from Tested.com. I'm here at the robotics block party in Stanford, California. I'm here with Avery. You're with Puzzlebox, but you don't make puzzles, you make robots. Flying robots are kind of like puzzles. Can you explain what the Puzzlebox is?
So the Puzzlebox Orbit is a helicopter that you control with your mind. So we use the NeuroSky EEG headset right here with a sensor over your cerebral cortex that reads your alpha and your beta brainwaves, which get translated to this app right here. And then when you pass the threshold, the helicopter will take off into the air.
So that's why you're wearing that contraption in your head.
Exactly.
And how does that exactly measure your EEG brainwaves?
So essentially it's using a voltage meter to measure the electrical current created every time you have a thought and your neurons fire. And then we have this nice ground signal here on your ear. It's not an earring, it's a little ground clip. And that's how we filter out all the noise. So any electrical current picked up here will be minused from the signal here, so we get the pure alpha and beta brainwaves.
And is the idea that when you think more, that's what activates the drone to fly?
Yes, exactly. It needs to be sustained, continuous thought. You can't just go, fly, except when I do. You have to pay really close attention. You need to do math or spell a long word or do something that requires a lot of attention, like giving a presentation.
I've used these before with those force toys, but this actually is a drone that flies. And right now it's just set to hover, so when you focus past the threshold, this will do whatever you want, right?
Exactly. So you can control the throttle, so how high it'll fly. You can control the yaw and the pitch, so whether or not it goes in a circle or across the room. But out here, the wind is definitely going to be our biggest factor.
And it's all controlled with an iOS or Android app, right?
Exactly. So you can use it on your smartphone or your tablet. So right now we have the threshold set reasonably hard, and I'm going to do a series of math problems in my head to try to get it to go up.
Do you find that certain math problems work better, like things that, or just thinking very hard? Oh, there you go. What math problem were you thinking of, Avery?
So I was doing 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 8 times 2 is 16.
Very basic math problems, low threshold, but again, that is something you said you can set and control. All right, would you mind if I try it out
My pleasure.
and see if I can also control this drone?
Okay.
All right, so right now it just needs to rest on my forehead.
Yep, so we gotta get your hair out of the way. There we go.
And that is just where your prefrontal cortex is.
Exactly.
And it's attached to my lobe here, and that's the ground. So, right, the reference signal.
So this green bar is just showing that we're fully connected. So once that appears in 100%, your blue and your red meditation and attention bars go.
And I just gotta pass that threshold, so I'm gonna start doing some math.
There you go.
Wow, that absolutely worked. I also did basic arithmetic, and guess what? Brainwaves.
Yay!
Science. So thank you, Avery. Where can people find out more about the Puzzlebox?
You can find it online at orbit.puzzlebox.info, and we sell it for $189 retail.
And it's very programmable as well. So.
We open source all of our code. We really want hackers and other developers to contribute to the ecosystem of brain-computer interface.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.